Hey there, fellow gamers and virtual reality enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect and review the latest and greatest gadgets and accessories. Today, we have something exciting for all you Meta, Oculus Quest 3 owners out there. The IKWOLETI Upgraded Face Pad. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Alright, let's get started. First up, the IKWOLETI Upgraded Face Pad boasts a full wrapped design that ensures a stable fit on your Quest 3's facial interface. This silicone face pad enhances comfort during those long gaming sessions, and it's designed to catch sweat, keeping you cool and comfortable. One thing that sets this accessory apart is its high-grade, environmentally friendly silicone material. It's not only soft and durable but also skin-friendly, making it perfect for extended use. Plus, it's washable, so you can keep it clean even after intense gaming sessions. Let's talk about immersion. The IKWOLETI Face Pad is designed to elevate your VR experience. It's sweat-proof, so no more worrying about your sweat causing damage. And the full lights-blocking nose pad ensures complete immersion by sealing out unwanted light. One thing I love about this face pad is its ergonomic design. It's tailored to fit different face shapes comfortably. Unlike some other options, it won't leave your face feeling sticky, allowing you to enjoy gaming without any distractions. Installing and cleaning this accessory is a breeze. It's a one-step process to attach and detach. You can clean it with a tissue or even wash it directly. Plus, it's designed for long-term use, which means you'll save money in the long run. Worried about durability? IKWOLETI offers an 18-month warranty, ensuring a hassle-free return or refund process. Their customer support is top-notch, so you can game with peace of mind. Now, you might be wondering about compatibility. This silicone face pad cover is designed specifically for the Meta Oculus Quest 3. Please note that it doesn't include the facial interface bracket. As for the price, it's incredibly affordable, making it a fantastic value for any VR enthusiast. In summary, the IKWOLETI Upgraded Face Pad for Meta Oculus Quest 3 is a game-changer. It offers improved comfort, high-quality materials, enhanced immersion, and ease of use, all at a wallet-friendly price. Whether you're a seasoned VR gamer or just getting started, this accessory is worth every penny. That's it for today's review. If you've tried this product or have any questions, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you found this review helpful, and stay tuned for more exciting product critiques here on Product Critique. Until next time, happy gaming! For more product reviews and tech insights, be sure to check out our other videos. And remember, the best way to stay up to date is by subscribing to Product Critique. Thanks for watching.